My YouTube friends, we are back with another video. This time something different. It is visitor recorded videos of trains running during an operating session. On the 1st of May 2026, I had an operating session. Still short on operators. There were 3 guys and myself. 1 guy unfortunately worked, but I need 6 plus myself to have a full operating session with 2 guys running mainline trains and 4 at stations. 2 of the stations do not require any shunting. And so let us put our attention to the video. The blue train, of course, the pride of the line. And here she's departed from Vlakteplaas on the way down to Waterkloof, but it passes behind the Aloes backdrop. And it will emerge from behind the Aloes backdrop shortly. And from Aloes backdrop, there it goes past the cement factory, CUPP, Concrete's ultimate preparation plant, and there it's entering into Waterkloof. Seeing the buildings in the background, which is actually Johannesburg on the backdrop. And there we see the Trans-Karoo in platform 2 in Waterkloof. And here we see the Trans-Karoo departing from Bloemfontein. And this video seems to have been slowed down as it was sent to me. But you can see the Class 16DA in action, very slow moving and a very nice running locomotive. The chassis is a Mahano 462 and the boiler is a brass tube, or actually pipe that is used for plumbing, that has been cut and modified to resemble the Class 16DA locomotive. Painted. My late dad started building this in the 1980s and I completed this locomotive about 2-3 years ago. And it's been servicing the trains on my layout ever since. I'm hoping to have more regular operating sessions now that I've had one. Hopefully the people that attended can invite some of their friends as well. And then as we get used to the trains running, get into operating and shunting, and then running the trains according to the timetable and schedule. Because with this session being short of operators, I think we only ran about the first 3 or 4 trains on the operating schedule, and the rest were just potluck, as we felt. And there's the Trans-Karoo departing from Power and descending to Waterkloof to go behind the Waterkloof backdrop and then run around behind East London Harbour, past Aloes, and then from Aloes into Waterkloof. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel.